Hi you guys, welcome back to my garden. So today I'm getting ready to show you guys how you can use plants or accents that you have wintered over. So I have an accent spike right here. If you see, I have beautiful roots on these. Like, do you see these beautiful roots? So I'm getting ready to actually use this accent spike in the middle of my planter. So this is going to be my griller. Let me make a wonderful place, work these roots in so it can be happy. Okay, so I got that in, kind of got it centered. Then I'm going to come in with a beautiful begonia, and this is a non-stop mocha pink shades, and it's going to have beautiful pink blooms on it, you guys. Going to go in with another begonia. And I'm just going to trim this up a little bit, okay? I'm going to cut off anything that's not really looking good. Okay, so now that I have this plant trimmed down to my liking and how I want it to look in my garden, what I'm going to do is the way that I water, anytime that you transplant a plant, whether it is you're transplanting it in your garden, from one area of your landscape to another, or from one pot to a pot, I like to go in and I like to use a little bit of root stimulator, and that helps prevent transplant shock. So what you do is you want to shake this up, and per gallon of water, I think it's 3.5. So per gallon of water is 3.5 teaspoons. So that's how I'm going to water this plant in. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? There will be a little red button. Click that red button and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, I'll be showing you pictures later.